Okay, hi student, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn about electricity and magnetism. So in this video, this chapter is the most common chapter that I think most students ask, and the reason is I think it is the one of the most difficult topic in science, electric and magnetism. It's a new thing lah. Last time we don't have, then a few years ago they only add more about the equation and the calculation for the electric. So let's dive into this topic and let us practice more about electricity and magnetism. So of course this one is a very easy, like hydro, wind, waves, surya, all this is a very renewable and non-renewable energy. So we can see hydro is renewable, wind renewable, coal non-renewable, geothermal renewable, diesel is non-renewable, biomass renewable, type renewable, natural gas non-renewable. Correct? Anything that I did wrong? Diesel, coal, so there's renewable and non-renewable. So this one easy lah. I assume that all will get it correct. Renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Of course, as last time I also got mentioned, but I mentioned one more time. Non-renewable means it's very more slowly to reproduce. The coal and for example the gas, the petrol, it takes very long time. As long as it's considered more than 50 years to develop, then it's considered old. Because now people die, they put in the grave, after maybe 1000 or 2000 years the person also can become oil. One day me and you will become oil because we die, we go to the cave. Now we have oil because last time got dinosaur die. So now also we are making oil. When people die, animal die, they are going to become oil slowly, but it's a very slow process. So as long as it's more than 50 years to develop, then we consider it as non-renewable. Hydroelectric you can get like every day and very fast you will get. This also you can get, but you need to wait maybe 1 to 5,000 years or 1 million years, then only you get. So one is just fast, one is just slow. Now we are moving towards more renewable energy, which is a good thing because we know that diesel and natural gas soon they are going to finish, and that is why I think now Elon Musk is the most richest person in the world. One of the reason is petrol is going to finish. So when the petrol finish, who is going to use the car? How to use the car? You need to use electric car. And I think by this year, if I'm not mistaken, Malaysia is starting to sell a Tesla car. Last year or this year, for I think 350,000 or 400,000, I forgot. Means now in Malaysia you can start to buy Tesla car already because they are selling the car in Malaysia that is using electric, and very good leh. Can travel like 400 kilometer or 500. Means can from Seremban or KL travel to Penang even though you are just using electric. Last time cannot one. Last time you got electric car, you only can travel maybe from KL to Cheras, 1 hour only lah. Now very high tech already. The car can move for 4 hours. Even better, move 4 hours, then you can charge at your home. Okay, then you don't need to go to Petronas. Just put the electric to your car. Study the diagram below, show the consumption of energy in a country, then answer the following. So this is the consumption of energy. So we have 35% is petrol, 20% 21. This one you must know. Not only you can know your science, but you can write in your karangan and your essay if you know the energy pollution, carbon dioxide, greenhouse effect is one of the famous topic in PT3 and SPM, especially when we talk about environment and pollution. So not only you can learn science, you remember this, then you can write in your karangan that say that the country use 35, 20, and this cause pollution or greenhouse effect due to the increase of carbon dioxide. So you also can write this in your essay, and it actually contribute more marks. I like to write essay and put more science into it because you already study science, and you also study geography and sejarah, just put into your essay lah. Okay, energy consumption 35, 20, 21, uranium. What? This Malaysia or what? Or this is, I think, not Malaysia lah, because here got uranium. Malaysia, I think not so far now haven't used that yet. And some more got wind. Malaysia got use wind energy probably no lah. Hydroelectric. Malaysia mostly use more on hydro, and also this one. This one is common use in Malaysia. Usually is coal and hydro power. Like now you are turning your electric. Where the electric come from? The electric come from here actually. Malaysia electric come from the coal, geothermal, wind, and solar. Oh, they ask you consume which country? Which country? Okay, which of the energy source is highly consumed in the country? Which is highly consumed in the country? Okay, very good. The answer is petroleum. Because petroleum is the highest, which is 35%. This one is like rumusan, correct or not? You can answer rumusan. 35% is the highest, and the lowest will be the wind and the solar. Of course, this is easy to surat. Then we have easy to sirat. Then you say lah, petroleum, because maybe people need to use car and motorbike, and then for solar is lesser because maybe you say Malaysia got a lot of rain, and then there is how you want to use the solar when there is raining? Cannot, right? That is easy to see, right? State two uses of the source energy mentioned. What are the two uses of petroleum? So of course for the petrol, what is the function? One of it is for as a fuel for the car, as a fuel for, I don't say car lah, vehicle lah, vehicle, because they have the car, lorry, and so on. And maybe one more you can say as one of the material to build plastic, okay, for the production of plastic. So plastic also you need to use the fuel. Biomass is a renewable energy. You know what is biomass, right? Biomass is a thing that you maybe in the city people you don't know lah, but it's something like you throw all the thing go inside, all the rubbish, all your food you throw inside, and then after a while the bacteria and the pressure will cause it to produce methane gas, and you can use the gas to cook, or you can use the gas to do whatever thing that you want to do due to the reaction that happened in the thing. Of course this thing is underground lah, usually we put it underground. People will stand on the biomass, in case you don't know. But you don't go up lah, usually there's a roof at here, you don't go up, but usually the people put in the ground for putting in the pressure. That is why when we see in the video, I don't know whether you got watch this video or not, sometimes the children they put the fire in the longkang. You know the longkang, the jalan here, there's the jalan, the longkang for the ninja turtle to go in. They will put the fire go inside, and then when they put fire, the thing will boom go up, and then the children also go up. I wonder you got see this video or not. Let's see this video and see what's happening. Oh, this is children playing setting. What is a renewable energy?
renewable energy source.
Vy Chen. Example of biomass.
Biomass is plant or animal material used as fuel to produce electricity or heat.
Very good. Okay. So you can say that the animal waste, okay, the animal waste or the plant waste, it can be used to produce electric. Of course, it produces the gas, okay, and then the gas you can burn it and you can make it into electric. As long as something can burn, you can make the engine turn, okay. When the engine turn up and down, then you can make electric. Anything you turn, then you can make electric already to the dynamo. Okay, solar energy is used in most developing country, but Malaysia is slightly lesser a bit. But expensive, and also our country sometimes always rain until banjir. That's what happened. Whether we want to use more on solar energy, and we also have wind energy. Also, Malaysia seldom less because the wind sometimes don't blow. Other country that use wind, Malaysia also you see blow, but because Malaysia got a lot of rain and hujan, it got a lot of river, then that's why we use more on hydroelectric because we got more water. However, Malaysia has some problem to use solar. I here already say we have some problem using solar. Explain what's the problem. Okay, so we can say that first, it is expensive, and secondly, the weather in Malaysia, in average of 2 months cloudy or raining per year. Okay, average of 2 months cloudy or raining. Okay, so weather in Malaysia there is always rain and cloudy. So you put ready, can use but not efficient. Other country when you put like maybe Africa or what, every day got sun, then you use it properly. But Malaysia, you instead of you pay 100 ringgit to get back the 100 ringgit, you only pay the 120 to get the 100 ringgit, because raining time and the cloudy time you are not using the thing. Okay, so roughly I already teach electric. Actually, I want to teach more about formula, but maybe next time lah, because Form 4, Form 5 also you'll be using it. This thing you don't forget, because when you go to Form 4, Form 5, you are still learning this thing, and also you can write for your essay, for BM essay, and for English essay. So if no question, so I will teach until here. If anything, you can PM me or write in the comment and send to me. And I see you next time. Self-study, the reason I finish early means I don't want to teach, then you all fall asleep, The reason is you all can watch YouTube, you all can jalan-jalan, then you can learn yourself, and then you don't understand, only be discussed in the class. So I see you next time. Thank you and bye-bye.